Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the next week. Let's see. What do we have for you, Sagittarius? A quick message. Message for Sagittarius. Yeah, it's a transformation. You are not the same person. You're going to try to do something very different from your past. It's like you are taking a risk in your life. Learning new skills. Be open for new opportunities, Sagittarius. We have discernment. Trust in your intuition. Like it's talking about a new idea. You know exactly what you want to do in your life. What do you need to focus, Sagittarius? It's a confirmation. Judgment. It's your growing learning about your past mistakes, and now you know exactly what you want to do. You are on the right path, Sagittarius. It's a judgment call, a rebirth, a transformation in your life. What you don't see coming, it's about your money, your stability. This card, it's a very good card about abundance. It's like your father figure, working really hard, having a good job, a good situation. It's Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. Message for you, Sagittarius. I feel like you are very mature. I can see you are working really hard here, mastering your skills. You want perfection. You are an excellent worker, Sagittarius. With the Six of Cups, you are feeling also nostalgia. Thinking about your past. Let's see what's going on. See you connected with nature this time. Transformation. It's the same energy. It's a task card. Okay, something is going to end. It's a rebirth. Like it's you. You are choosing to end something, to grow. Okay. After a period of isolation, this card is you spending a lot of time alone. The Hermit card. Finding a solution. You are ready to take action now, Sagittarius. You've been feeling stuck for a long time. It's time for you to free yourself from the situation because it's just an illusion. Like you are ready. There is a new opportunity here. With the Ace of Cups, you can be talking about a new love coming for you. Okay, open your heart again. You can be talking about a Scorpio, a Virgo. It's a period of transition. You are choosing your own happiness. Moving in calm waters. You don't want to fight anymore. Can be talking about you're going to move to travel in a new place, in a new destination in the near future. To have abundance and stability in your life. Everything you want. You're also very intuitive at this time. You're trusting in your instinct, your intuition. Let's see what's going on here. What's the Death card? It's the same energy showing up. The King of Pentacles with the High Princess. Okay? We're talking about you are dealing with someone very mature, a Earth sign, or a Pisces. What's going on with the Death card? Princess. Using your intuition. Can be talking about a secret showing up here. But with the High Princess, you know exactly what's going on because she knows everything. Okay? With the Hermit, we have the End. Man. Pisces energy again. So you're taking a break, a pause to see differently the situation with different perspective. It's time for you to take action, okay? Like because you've been waiting for a long time. With the Eight of Swords, Temperance. Transforming negativity in positivity, finding a solution, okay? It's about alchemy. Perfect timing, Sagittarius energy. With the Ace of Cups, the Five of Cups. The Five of Cups, it's you very sensitive. It's a lot of emotion. Can be talking about sadness, okay? Because you are thinking about your past, what you lost in your life. Okay, it's about memories. You don't see to new offer here. Open your heart for something new, something different, Sagittarius. With the Six of Swords, it's you moving, traveling. We have the Death card here. So end of the situation. You can see the sun is right there. The sun is happiness, a new light in your life. But first, you need to change something. You need to end the situation. Okay? I really feel like with the Six of Swords here, you are going to travel or to move. To have abundance in your life. It's you taking action. With the Six of Swords, you can see you're not alone. There is people around you supporting you in your new project, okay? Ten of Pentacles, it's abundance coming for you. Wow, you can see the sun is right here. But first you need to leave something behind, okay? It's time for you to letting go something. To be happy again, Sagittarius. With the High Princess. Okay, trust in your intuition. With the Emperor, it's Aries energy. It's someone very strong, it's a father figure, an entrepreneur. If you are working on a project or business, it's going to pay off, okay? It's a lot of authority and power here, success coming for you. Just you need to trust in your intuition here. It's like you have your power back. You are ready to take action in your life, Sagittarius. After a long period of been feeling stuck, lonely, thinking. Let's see, you can see a change coming for you. But first there is an ending, okay? It's also painful. You're making an important decision, I feel like. What's going on for Sagittarius? It's a confirmation with this reading. The end of a situation, a transformation, a rebirth. Just listen, your intuition or a secret will be revealed. Can be talking about you are dealing with a Pisces. Let's see what's going on here. Been feeling stuck for a long time, Sagittarius. It's time for you to free yourself. You need to find balance in your life. You can see? So crossroads, you are going to choose a new direction, okay? So Ace of Cups and the Five of Cups. There is an opportunity next week, Sagittarius, to meet someone new, not someone from your past, okay? There is an important meeting here with a garden card. It's about going out, spending time with your friends, your community, okay? Lot of communication here. What's going on with the Six of Swords? Communication about true honesty, okay? It's going to happen next week. We have the Ten of Pentacles with the Sun. Whoops. Like the situation wasn't clear. Can be talking about a delay. Let's see what's going on for you. You can see happiness is coming for you. An invitation, a gift. It's time for you to be happy again. It's a confirmation. There is a big opportunity coming for you with the key card. A new door is open for you. The key is about success, victory about the situation, Sagittarius. Let's see. Big transformation for you next week. You need to have courage, okay? Message for Sagittarius. I've been thinking a lot. It's making plan for the future here. It's like the Hermit card and the Hangman. Finding a solution, taking a break, a pause. We have abundance coming for you. It's the best card in this deck. Great fortune. And we have also family room. Like you're going to celebrate something in your home with your friend, your family, your community. Let's see an advice for you. Oops. Okay. This card is for you. Aquarius energy. It's the same story. You can see. It's a new cycle in your life. You are ready. You need to open up to change. Okay? Sagittarius. This is your reading. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Take care.